Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to group in CapCut. Let's begin. Grouping clips in CapCut Mobile is a useful feature that allows you to organize and manipulate multiple video or image elements together as a single unit. This can be especially helpful when you have several layers that you wanted to stack them all together, and if you want to move, resize, or apply effects to them simultaneously. Grouping helps you keep your timeline organized and makes editing much more efficient, and of course, kind of like a very handy feature, especially in complex projects. So once you open the CapCut app, I want you to click the project that you are working. If you don't have anything yet, just click on the new project so you can begin your work and start from scratch. In my case, I'm going to be choosing this file right here. And I'm going to click the overlay section at the bottom and click the add overlay so I can import more clips along the way. All right, or just click this plus button here. You see this plus button? I'm going to click on it and then I'm going to add clips. For example, I'm going to be putting this one right here. That's one clip, all right? So I'm going to delete this one for now. And I'm going to hover down here at this clip. I'm gonna click on it so it's selected. You see there's kind of like a small vertical line and a white here. That means that's the end of the video. If you want to add another clip, just click the add button again. You will be forwarded here. Let's say we're gonna select this one right here. Maybe this one at the end. To subscribe in our channel, click on add button and you would notice that we have already clipped the two videos. You see there's like a box in the center of the two clips. I want you to click on it and you can click these transitions right here to give it like a fade in effect. All right, for example, let's say a pull in. Let's click that. So let's try to click the video from the beginning if we're able to group the clips all together, because it preserves the relative position and arrangement of multiple clips even when you need to move or duplicate them. It's kind of easy for working with overlays, stickers, and text. And as you can see, we have created a grouping of all the elements together. Once you are happy with how it feels, just click the export button on top of your screen. You can share it to social media platforms, or if you want to share it to your client for feedback, you are welcome to do so. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.